Hey, what's happening, everybody? I hope they get my good side. You know I gotta look good when I walk out the house. You know I know the camera's following. I know they taking pictures, right, drama? Hey, man, you watch it, I live it. You dig that? Y'all sit back, relax, get some popcorn, man. I'ma make it a good show. You dig that? It's gonna make a hell of a movie, huh?
My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I live it. I walk, they follow. I talk, they holler. Just here for your amusement. My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I'm living. You waiting for me to lose it. I guess I'm just here for your amusement.
Hey, the price of fame I think I paid. Want my change, I done gave everything in my possession for my seconds on the stage. For my name up in life, in multi-million record sales, I done gave up my life. Can't get a moment to myself. When alone I ask myself, is it worth it? I ain't perfect, neither's anybody else, but I think my kid deserve to be with daddy out in public without all the interruptions. When the lies and gossip published, I'm the topic of discussion. Then I stay in trouble just to show these suckers I ain't lost it, and I do it all again. That's the funny thing about it. I ain't playing, boy, I'm bout it. Will I change? Boy, I doubt it. I done been a lot of things, I ain't never been a coward. See the paparazzi crowded all around me now. Same niggas who was dissing want a pound like I'm C now. Shower with support from my adoring fans. They hear T.I.'s arrested, they like, here we go again.
Your entertainment. You watch it while I live it. I walk, they follow. I talk, they holler. Just here for your amusement. My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I'm living. You waiting for me to lose it. I guess I'm just here for your amusement.
Hey, you seen it all before, guys. Know how the story goes. It's like Tupac never died. Sit back, enjoy the show. You see the shit that scares the citizens, I done lived through it. Knew the risk and the consequences, and I still do it. And then I'm so fresh, them niggas me'll do it. Not just the actor by profession, pimp by Leah movies. That's why they whisper when they see me, point and stare at me. Cause they just wanna live through me vicariously. Fashion week in Paris with party like a rock star. Get blowed by a top model till she catch lockjaw. Got the dough, you get a year stashed in my sock drawer. Showed you the troubles and the struggles of an outlaw. Top dog would not fall, I'm not y'all.
We were lovers for the first time, running on the red lights. The middle finger was our peace sign, yeah. We were sipping on emotion, smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless and we owned it, yeah, yeah. We were high and we were sober. We were on and we were over. We were young and now I'm older, but I do it all again. Getting drunk on a train track, way back when we tried our first cigarettes. $10 was a